Yeah, we get along quite well.
Yes. We shot the whole love scene in about 30 minutes, so we actually only had one take, so it was kind of go in there and just do it. And I think because we only had one take, it was the most real because we didn't even think about it. We weren't like, oh, there's a camera there. We just kind of got down and did it.
I also think because we had built quite a rapport with each other that we had an immense amount of trust, and we had lots of conversations about how the scene would go and what we were comfortable with and what we weren't comfortable with, that it made it really easy and natural to do.
And she's really easy. Well, yeah, you're really easy to you're really easy to work with. So it wasn't awkward in any way.
No, it wasn't.
Like I've done sex scenes with guys, and you know they have like dangly bits and stuff that might be, but it was just really nice and easy, and it just worked so well. I
totally
think it was the easiest sex scene I've ever done, and it was fun. I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Sometimes it can be awkward, but I really enjoyed it. I know. It was good.
There's lights on you, and there's 50 people looking at you, and
they're like, okay, turn your head a little bit more this way, and okay, arch your back, and stick your boobs out more.
There was a scene where we're sitting on a huge pile of pillows, and we're kissing, and I tickle her, and she kept laughing really loud and then snorting, which would make me laugh, and it got to a point where we were laughing so hard. Marina, our wonderful director, kept telling us that we needed to stop. She was like, seriously, stop laughing. It's not funny anymore. Stop laughing. We could not keep it together.
I accidentally, we thought we had got over the laughter, and we kissed, and then I accidentally snorted in her mouth. I did because when I get giggles, I could not stop laughing, and then we were kissing, I was like, sorry, you just got to snort too.
Impossible things! Okay, we have a 3-minute call. We're going to get started inside.
Thank you.